EDU snippets. Educational information about teaching. In bite-sized pieces. Subscribe for your weekly dose of professional development.
Behaviorism is an educational philosophy that believes human behavior is a result of environmental stimuli. Behaviorists believe that people are born without any innate tendencies, and their behaviors are shaped by the environment. Behaviorists also believe that a learning is measurable by observing changes in behavior. They believe that the environment can be changed to meet the needs of humans. Behaviorism was founded by Russian physiologist Ivan Pavlov, who experimented with dogs as subjects for his research on classical conditioning. He found that dogs would salivate when they were presented with food, but he noticed that they would also salivate when he rang a bell before presenting them with food. He found that the dog learned to associate the sound of a bell with food, even if they were not presented with food, and it had nothing to do with their digestive system. Pavlov concluded that all behavior can be explained in terms of associations. Thus, classical conditioning is what explains how human behaviors are shaped by environmental stimuli. Positive and negative reinforcement as a classroom management tool. The main goal of a classroom management tool should be to help students succeed. Positive reinforcement is the best way to achieve this by allowing students to receive positive attention and encouraging them to keep working. In contrast, negative reinforcement is not as effective as it often comes off as punishment and can cause students to feel ashamed or embarrassed. A consequence of negative reinforcement is that it does not teach students how to behave appropriately in social situations. In order for these consequences to be effective, they need to be implemented in long-term, gradual steps. Positive reinforcement is often used as a reward and can provide a sense of achievement. This motivates individuals and helps them feel motivated towards their goal. Criticism of behavioristic classroom management strategies. Behavioristic classroom management strategies are criticized for the links to animal training and removing the focus from learning to reaching the next reward. This can create a class of extremely obedient students with little understanding, who become mindless followers with no interest in the academic content of the lesson.
EDU snippets. Educational information about teaching. In bite-sized pieces.